Looking for the best robot mop in 2025? Whether you're after deep cleaning or hands-free convenience, we've got you covered with the top picks that will make your floors shine effortlessly. Let's dive in and find the perfect robot mop for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. iRobot Braava Jet M6. This is the ultimate robot mop, outperforming competitors with its efficient cleaning and advanced mapping technology. It uses the same detection system found in the Roomba J9 Plus to accurately map and clean your home. Through the iRobot app, you can direct the mop to specific rooms or avoid no-go areas like pet food bowls. With an easy-to-fill, removable water tank, the system is mostly hands-off. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to base, recharges, and resumes cleaning. A standout feature is its ability to work with Roomba vacuums, such as the S9 and i7. Once the vacuum is done, the mop finishes the job, leaving your floors both vacuumed and shined. The Braava Jet M6 uses reusable or disposable wet and dry pads with proprietary cleaning solution for added power. Number 2. iLife Shinebot W400. It strikes a great balance between price and performance, making it one of the best robot mops available. While it only uses basic tap water, we were impressed by how effectively it removed dirt, and the separate clean and dirty water tanks let us see exactly how much grime was collected. Its powerful reusable microfiber brush roll scrubs dirt, while the rubber scraper squeegee helps remove dirty water and debris. The W400 is well behaved, avoiding even the thinnest rugs. Though it lacks an app, it's easy to control via remote or onboard buttons, with 4 cleaning modes: area, path, spot, and edge. While it's a bit tall at 4.6 inches and may not fit under low cabinets, the W400 gets the job done efficiently with a bit of maintenance. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Curv. It proves to be an impressive robot vacuum and mop hybrid, making it a great splurge purchase. Its sleek, curved docking station adds a modern touch to any room, blending seamlessly with your decor. The Qrevo Curv is packed with useful features, including an upgraded adapt-lift chassis that easily climbs over tall thresholds. The app setup, mapping, and scheduling were straightforward, and the vacuum excelled in most tests. Our tester, Christian, was particularly impressed with its performance on hardwood floors and its ability to pick up cereal, kitty litter, and pet hair. While it wasn't as effective at removing dog hair from carpets, it still outperformed many competitors. The mopping function and self-cleaning dock are excellent bonuses. Though it comes with a hefty price tag, the Qrevo Curv is a solid investment for top-tier performance. Number 4. Roomba J9 Combo. This is a top-tier hybrid robot vacuum and mop, designed to handle both hard floors and carpets without close supervision. Its smart retractable mop lifts automatically when it detects carpet, preventing water from soaking rugs. While the J9 Combo is pricey, it delivers thorough cleaning in both vacuuming and mopping, easily navigating obstacles like cables and shoes. It also features advanced functions such as multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and scheduling. However, the mop pad requires manual cleaning after each use, which may be a drawback compared to other premium models with automatic washing. As a vacuum, the J9 performs well but struggles a bit with pet hair on wood floors. Despite its price, the J9 Combo is a reliable option for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets. Number 5. Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid. This robot vacuum and mop impresses with its advanced laser navigation system and a lengthy 150-minute runtime. If the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning. Through the Eufy Home app, you can adjust mopping power, customize maps, and set virtual boundaries for efficient cleaning. Mopping is simple. Fill the removable tank, attach the microfiber pad, and let the RoboVac L70 Hybrid clean in a thorough serpentine pattern, ensuring every floor area is covered. However, its 4-inch height may prevent it from fitting under some furniture and cabinets. Despite this, the L70 Hybrid offers excellent performance. Use our Eufy coupon codes to save on robotic vacuums and mops, bringing effortless cleaning to your home at a better price. So, which one takes the crown? After testing them all, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is our winner for its superior performance and smart features. Make your cleaning routine easier with the best.